Keith is on the floor. It is nice, bro. He got 4. Back to part 2 of the video. Fitment boy back at it again. Shit is different. TE's in the back. Nah. It's a hard ass 335. The tail lights on this shit. Shit, is this paint?
That's why I bought it.
M3.
Because it didn't even have carpet in it when I got it. Okay, Shade. I just went and got
830 game came in heavy today. I don't think I ever seen a vert. The vert. G83, yeah, this shit is clean. This is the first one I've seen. Just not a fan of verts. I seen him come off the trailer last night. Damn, these colors are crazy together. Right now, I'm just waiting for the burnouts to start. This look like my car when I first brought it, just with fucking tires on it. I know this shit probably fast as hell. I think about the new 2 Series. I just feel like if the 240 look like this, the M2 gonna look good in person. It's a lot bigger, bro. It's a lot bigger than the previous generation. I still take the F80 over on the freeway. Oh shit, this music louder. This shit clean. This is the Keith edition. CSL. Which one y'all taking? CSL or Keith? This shit is clean, bro. You rarely see the orange. I'm not gonna lie. It might be one of the best builds here. Chop up due to the music. Fucking Batmobile, bro. The water cool wheels. They brought the bikes out too. Oh, we got another front bumper. Hella clean. Okay, different. That shit is sick. Carbon hood. Shit nice. Bro, I have entered heaven. I've never seen as many BMWs in my life. Y'all still tuning into the video. Appreciate y'all. I believe this is our 3rd or 2nd video of Bimmer invasions. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. More content to come. More BMWs to come. First invasion meet was a W. For sure. Getting fast, boys. Big ass tires. Shit. Oh. CS. BBS. Oh, this is painted. That's crazy. Flakes in it. Nah, they got the new 7 Series here. Peanut butter interior. Shit is nice. Shit is nice as fuck. Some baller shit. Nah, y'all, we gotta see this.
Like, you had to do a double take.
Oh yeah, no, I know.
What the hell?
So like, it's off the side of it, like,
So
It's a pickup.
That's what it is.
Do you see this? She has a bed. That's crazy.
It's got the 2 dates on the roof line.
Yeah, I wild out with that. That is crazy. That might be the craziest thing here. This color is sick.
hard. That bitch is hard.
Big wing, boys. Addicted to these fat tires, dude.
Instagram, comment, and follow. There we go.
This kid on this shit is crazy. HREs. That shit's nice. BBS's. Boys over here got that bag. Literally. Bags. Shit nice too. to have the fastest X6M. Fake taxi. Wait. When I get back inside, if there's not that much talking, there's a lot of little videos. It's because they're playing a lot of music. Shit's hella clean. Shit hard. Shit sick.
I showed you that.
Shit nice. Bro, X5, X6 boys showing out. Per usual. G80 boys came through. Shit sick as hell. Comment down below what color is it. What color wrap is that? Shit is hard. Vert, not a fan, but it's not bad as people make it out to be.
I look thinner right here. You look more thank you very much. I look thinner here.
Shit is hard as hell. I decided to come to the spectators parking. I did say they had some clean ass shit out here. Second or third time holding this meet. Dope turnout. Glad I was able to make it. Oh, folks got the BBS's on here. The RX-7. Oh, it's on a tire too. I didn't even see that. It's on a tire. After the meet, end of the video, decided to come enjoy the vibes with the fam. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next one.
Push these niggas off me like, push these bitches off me like, push these niggas off me like, pushing the snakes, I'm pushing the fakes, I'm pushing them all off me like, pushing them all off me like, I be